In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Kit. We'll walk through this from start to finish so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a fully customized form that you can share or embed on your site. First, make sure you're logged in to your Kit account and you're in the main dashboard. From there, look for the section labeled Grow. This is where all of your lead generation tools live. Click on Grow and then select Landing Pages and Forms. This area is your hub for anything related to capturing visitor information. Once you're there, click the button that says Create New. That tells Kit you want to build something from scratch. Next, you'll be asked what type of asset you want to create. Go ahead and choose Form. After that, you'll see options for different display formats. These might include inline, which appears directly on a page, a modal, which pops up in the center, or a slide-in that appears from the side or bottom. Think about how you want visitors to encounter your form. For example, an inline form is great for contact or newsletter sections on a page, while a modal or slide-in can be more attention-grabbing for special offers. Select the format that best fits your use case. Once you've chosen the format, you'll move on to picking a template. Templates give you a starting point so you don't have to design everything from zero. Browse through the layouts and choose one that matches your brand style and the amount of information you want to collect. Some templates are simple, with just an email field, while others have more fields and content areas. Now it's time to customize. Click directly on any text to edit it and make it your own. Update headlines, descriptions, and button labels so they clearly explain what someone gets by filling out your form. If your template includes images, you can click them to change or remove them based on your brand. To add more fields, look for the plus icon. Click that and choose the type of field you need, such as first name or any other information that's important for you to collect. Try to keep the form as short as possible while still getting what you need, because shorter forms usually convert better. When you're happy with the way everything looks, click Save. This locks in your changes so nothing is lost. After saving, click Publish. Publishing generates either an embed code that you can paste into your website or a hosted link that you can share directly. Choose the option that works best for your setup, and your new Kit form is ready to go live.